Just when we caught those. Oh!
Me too.
Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Got that one. We're ripping them on the frogs on the Hennepin Canal. Not gonna tell you where we are though. Called it too.
I did.
Yeah. Got him. Is that a nice one? No.
He was on the bank. Perfect.
Perfect release.
Whoa.
Did you see that?
Oh my. You're gonna have to take the video off of that. Oh, yeah. Bring him over here. It's a pig. Nice one.
That'll be a cool video. How's the hook set? Barely got it.
Nice one.
That was sick.
That was an awesome.
Woo! That is a nice one.
Boner. Natch. I said fuck when that fish hit. Can't stop pressing. I need to stop. Holy crap. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Yeah. Whoa! Look! Look! Are you doing a picture?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay. Back to fishing. Nice one.
These are chunky fish.
I knew it. Now.
Oh, got him! Calling his shots.
Look at this.
Just comes out.
Oh, yeah.
And then bring the hammer down on him.
Wow, look, you know what? Oh, that's a big one. Dude, I thought that was me.
And I don't have him hooked very well.
Ow!
I have him hooked pretty well. What happened there?
I thought that was my frog getting hit.
Ow!
Oh, fell in.
Ow! He didn't smoke it. There you go.
But I hooked him.
2 casts in a row.
Look at his mouth.
Got him.
He died. It's not like
Is that a nice one?
Yeah, because I ripped the rod on that one.
That is a nice one. I'll try to double up. Hope I can see it. Nice one.
I even got the wing down.
I know.
You're real good. That's a pretty good one. Get him over here. Oh. Where is he? Christmas? Oh, no, oh my God. Not in my tackle bag.
Sorry. That was a good one. Like Christmas. Hook comes right out. It's a nice 2 pound, 2.5 pound bass. Might be my last one, but he was right up on shore, a little off it. We're smoking him.